Got some fresh lube going in her. Yeah, this thing turned out real nice for sure. Almost time to start it up. Got the shorty kicker. Getting some fresh Moto Chill coolant in there. Billet kicker, shorty action. So if you had the stock kickstart lever, thing would be up to here. You'd have to remove more off the fender. So this allows you to pretty much kick with your heel. Bike will start pretty easy now. Is this your first time starting a CRF450?
Yes, it is.
All right, so we're gonna show you a little trick here. I'm gonna blip gassed 2 more times. Okay, give her a kick. Okay, kick with your heel, fender's close. Let's do it again. Haven't heard this bike run yet. Nope. So close. There's let it idle. Dude, you're one step closer to possibly riding one someday. Sick. You said it ran, and it does. Classic carburetor. Yeah, adjust that, turn the idle up. Back the fuel screw out.
Needs a little tune-up.
Yeah. Bike's been sitting, so I'm gonna throw a bigger pilot in it. Tweak it a little bit. You just hear it's a little bit lean down low. Pretty common. But, got a little pop.
Honda kids.
Open them off.
how I get rides over to. I don't care if you're trying to go home. Give me a ride. So I get a ride over there, go film Bill. You know, just cruising around town.
Guys, that's it. That thing reps pretty good. It's got some bigger back tires, so it doesn't rev as quick as a bike with 18-inch tires, but man, that's a fun-ass trike right there for sure. Stay tuned. We got many more projects coming. Got the KTM 300 over there getting finished up. All the stuff for the Fat Cat is all powder coated, so that video is coming in the next couple days. Thanks, guys.